Good morning, friends. It is 6:20 in the morning. I just got done cleaning and I filmed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this motivation. It is Monday morning. I started about 5:30. It took me about 40 minutes. I had the grandbabies all weekend, so I had a little bit more to clean up than I normally would. So enjoy this video. I'm just going to speed it up, play some music, and hopefully give you a little bit of motivation to get up and clean a little bit this morning. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Now that everything is squeaky clean, let me show you what it looks like now. We have Miss Luna visiting bright and early this morning. I will spare you the litter boxes. So this is my living room. I've got Miss Daisy and Oreo. And then here is my bathroom. I keep the food and water for the fur babies in here. I did end up getting baskets, which I think look fantastic in here. Somebody suggested keeping the litter boxes in the bathroom, and the reason why I don't keep litter boxes in the bathroom is because Daisy gets into the litter boxes, and I would have to keep a baby gate up. I didn't make my bed because Daisy gets underneath the covers. So I still need to put away the food for the fur babies. This is my room. And I always vacuum underneath the beds because Luna likes to lay under the beds, and there's a lot of pet hair that gets in there. This is my current crochet project. It's a blanket for my friend's baby. This is one of the spare rooms. And again, we vacuumed underneath the bed. This is my mommy's room. And then over here, this is the grandbaby's room. I still have to wash the sheets and make the bed, but I vacuumed and stripped the bed. And then the last thing to show you is my office. It's about time for me to go to work. So I'm gonna edit this video and then sit down, but I did a pretty good job just picking up. I still need to fill the water reservoir in my Keurig, but I put away some of the things that the grandbabies use, like hot chocolate. I cleaned up, I dusted after vacuuming and then ended up having to vacuum again. So this is my filming desk, my ring light. This is what I clip my phone in. I only film with my phone. I don't have any other kinds of equipment for filming. But this is my wall of yarn. This is my work area. So I have my pad ready to go to write down some gratitude and priorities. It's 6:42 and I gotta log in by 7. So this is what the house looks like. I think I did a really good job. I've got to take my laundry down and throw that box away, but not too bad. 40 minutes on a Monday morning. All right, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Can we say goodbye, Oreo? Can you say goodbye to our friends? Huh? Luna says goodbye. All right, bye, friends.